Hi, all my beautiful people all over the world. Guys, how do you love? That's a question for you. Because I already know how I love. How do you love? Do you love to get something from somebody? Do you love unconditionally? Do you love to try to get things that you want? Do you love for the wrong reasons? Do you love for money? Do you love for fame? Do you love to take? Do you love to gain? Do you love for sexual pleasures? Oh, yeah, she said that. Oh, yeah. How do you love? And is it right how you love? Guys, if you love right, love will come back to you right. Okay? Give and it shall be given back to you. So, guys, ask yourself, how do you love? Do you love willingly? Is it good? Is it genuine? Is it faithful? Or are you loving to get things or gain things that you really should not even be doing that or having or wanting to partake in? How do you love? Bye, y'all. Good morning, guys. Thanks for coming along for tea time. So let me turn on some light. Maybe let me see if it's not too bright for you guys. Okay, that's cool. All right. And I'm trying to watch oatmeal too, so bear with me. So guys, we're going to read from Psalms 143, and we're going to start at verse 7. So it says, "Answer me quickly, O Lord, my spirit fails. Do not hide your face from me, or I will be like those who go down to the pit. Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love." Love, okay? "For I have put trust in you. Show me the way I should go. For to you I lift up my soul. Rescue me from my enemies, O Lord, for I hide myself in you. Teach me to do your will, for you are my God. May your good spirit lead me on level ground. May his spirit lead you on level ground." Y'all, down here. Oh my gosh. "For your name's sake, O Lord, preserve my life. In your righteousness, bring me out of trouble. In your unfailing love, silence my enemies. Destroy all my foes, for I am your servant." Guys, he talks about love. He's telling you to hide your face in him. Basically, he got you. All he wants you to do is just love. Isn't that what I asked y'all guys today earlier? I didn't even know that this was not a setup, y'all. And you know what I wanted to say too about this? I know a lot of people, and even myself included, I do feel sometimes that the Bible was set up for slavery, but at the same time, you have to take what you can out of this book. You have to take what you can out of different books. Not just the Bible. There's so much literature that you can go to throughout history to find, and you just need to fill yourself up with something great. So no matter what people say about this book, it has so many values and so many meanings. For the simple fact, it teaches us how to love and how to live. And it's all good. It's all a good thing. It's not a bad thing to live this truth here. Y'all, so I just wanted to say that. So how y'all doing this morning? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's feeling good. Happy Saturday, guys, to you all. It's a lovely day. It's gloomy, but it's lovely. So, I wanted to show y'all. Let me have some of this tea. Y'all already know what to do, right? Y'all already know. keeping the cinnamon stick over time of uses, you can really taste it every time. It's stronger and stronger. That's what I put on my my breakfast bowl. So guys, I have oranges, marigarians, and I have blueberry dairy-free vegan yogurt with cinnamon on it. And it's really good. Really good. Go over and check out Simply Black Vegan, where I hauled the yogurt. But y'all, remember this bowl? There was a candle. Remember there was a candle? What did I tell y'all? Many uses, many things. So, I am going to finish up my breakfast. Thank you for tuning in to Tea Time. Hope you guys enjoyed it and got something from that message. I'm getting ready to head out to take baby girl her stainless steel garbage can and her deodorant and toothpaste that I make. Follow me. Follow me on Instagram, okay? Just follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna do that. Oh, I'll come back and I'll show y'all the updates where I placed everything. So hold the line, please, so I can finish eating my breakfast and then I'll be back, y'all, okay? Hold on 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Super cozy clothes today. So hold the line, please, and I'll show you guys. We'll get to it where I put everything. You guys already know this is getting ready to go with baby girl, but this is my toothpaste and my deodorant for her. So yes, this beauty here is going to her house. And while we are in here, guys, here's the rug. Now, what did I tell y'all? I told you guys how long it was gonna be. How beautiful is that? I absolutely love it. I can walk from this here to here. Okay, let's do it again. From here to here. Y'all, she loves it. She likes it. She likes it. So let's keep going. Let's keep going because we got more. We got more. Y'all, the office, oh my gosh. This mirror has done so much light to this space. It is amazing. Here is the mirror. Hey, y'all. Let me turn the light on. Let me turn the light on. Y'all, look at that. So what I did was move this over a little bit so you could see. Isn't that beautiful? So I didn't need a lot, and that's what I was going for, is simplicity in here. I'm not putting nothing else in this space, y'all, unless it's like a stand-up plant. But yeah, let me close. Well, I was doing some work, but yeah. So that is how, oh, excuse me, y'all. This is how the office space is looking. Looking. Sorry. With the mirror. I love it. Let me know. I know you guys will. What you think. I love the new office look. Very minimalist. Okay, while we're in here, curtains. I did put the long ones here. Okay. So now I have the two long ones to the floor. Here is our beautiful basket, guys. I stuffed her with those old pillows that I said I was going to take the stuffing out, but I stuffed them. Isn't she pretty? And she's tall, if you guys can't see that. She's really tall, and I'm going to put my bird of paradise when I get one, and so I'm going to put her, either keep her here or put her in front of the window. Now, here are the curtains. Let me step back some. Here are the curtains that I hung in here. Sorry, y'all. This lighting is really off right now. Hold on. So, yeah, grommets are here, like you see. See how they just touch the floor? I like it. So these here, I'm gonna take these down when I get another pair of these. And guys, I'm watching Lead Farmer 73. I'm shouting you out, y'all. I like him. He's pretty cool. Go check out his channel. He's all about that natural life, growing your own, doing your own. So guys, I'll see you guys when I come back. I just wanted to fill you in and give you the updates. I think that was everything. The mirror, the garbage can, that's getting ready to go to the curtains, the basket, and the rug. Yeah, I'll see you guys. All right, I'll see you guys when I come back. Guys, I'm here. I got a treat for y'all. She didn't tell me she was doing makeup today. This is a friend of mine's daughter that I have not seen in 11 years. Hey. She's doing her makeup. I'm going to make it real fast because y'all let me know in the comments how I look. Look at that. And she said she's going to be in a fashion show. So, how do you like your garbage can, ma'am?
I like it. I appreciate you.
You what?
I appreciate it.
Okay. I appreciate her too. I'll see you guys.
Yeah, you gotta go to this place called Crazy Band.
Did it go off? Bang the door, baby. Don't bang it. Where you putting that toy? Put it on the front seat. Go ahead and put it on the front.
I'm gonna show this in the back seat.
Put that on the... Y'all,
Put it in the back
we
seat.
just left the Goodwill in the neighborhood. You gonna show them what you got? What you got, Mari? Show them what you got. Show them what you got. He gonna show y'all what he got. What you got?
Transformers!
Let me see. What you got?
Bumblebee.
Huh?
Bumblebee.
What'd you call it?
Bumblebee.
That's what it's called, Mark?
Yeah. No, it's somebody
Okay,
else.
shut the front door. Now, we're on our way
To the
to the grocery store. Come on. Let's go. Where are you going? Get down, please. Hold his hand. Hold his hand. Y'all need to hurry up. I got somebody waiting on me for offer up to come and get that that TV stand. Oh yeah, I'm back really quick. I'm about to make some. I went and got some butter. This is Walnut Creek. Yeah, this is from the Amish country. This is good butter. So I bought some butter. I bought a bag of Idaho potatoes, and I bought some apple fritters. This is just for snack. And oh, let me show y'all real quick. Y'all seen the little toy that MJ got? Well, I bought both of them, a transformer, and I found this big old block. Do y'all see how big that is? This was half of this price. So it was half of, hold on y'all, let me see if y'all can see it. It was half of, ooh, geesh. Y'all can see that, right? Let me see if I turn this way. Or if I put it over here. Anyway, if you can see, it was $3. I got it for, it was $3.39. I got it for half off. So I'm going to use this actually as a plate to put on the stove to protect the, you see how big it is? It protects the eye. So I'm going to get ready to cook and I'll be back. Ready to go down, y'all. Baked potatoes and greens. Y'all, they enjoying this TV.
I want to watch Baby Shark.
You want to watch Baby Shark?
Yes.
What's wrong with Baby Shark? Papa want to watch his own stuff.
No.
No?
Yeah, I want to watch Baby Shark.
Baby Shark, what you want to watch?
Jason.
Jason, what you trying to watch? Papa, what you trying to look at? Huh? Yeah, he don't know what's going on. He don't know what's going on.
Cut the camera.
Cut the camera. Cut the camera. Cut the camera. What's wrong? Cut the camera. Why? What? Cut the camera. You don't want to be seen on TV? Yeah, he don't want to be seen on TV. What you want me to cut the camera for? What you doing? You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Come on, end this video. Y'all end it. End the video. Go over there. End the video.
See you later. Bye.
Bye. Corny.
You corny.
Corny.
You corny.
Corny.
You corny.
Corny.
Jason.